on this one, you know, if I ever write on your quiz or your test like can't, you know, it's like you're trying to do something that you can't do, like cancel a factor from one term of the numerator with the denominator, right? Those kinds of things you can't do. Like you can't take this thing and split it up into two different fractions, like just like divide it in half there. It doesn't work that way. There were those kinds of errors in this one here. And I'm not sure anybody got this in both classes, 3 classes, sorry. There could be other ways to do it. This is what I did on it. I said, well, let me turn these cosecant and secants into sines and cosines. Right? That would be 1 over the sine plus 1 over the cosine divided by sine plus cosine. Now, looking at the numerator, now I'm trying to add fractions, so I need a common denominator, right? What will the common denominator be? Sine times cosine, right? So I need to multiply this first one by cosine over cosine. And I need to multiply this one by sine over sine. Okay, now they have the same denominator, which is sine cosine. And in the numerator, we've got sine plus cosine. That's the sine plus cosine. Right, but we're still dividing. That whole fraction is divided by sine plus cosine. So these cancel. And all that's left is 1 over sine theta cosine theta. Okay, then I started work on the right. Cotangent is cosine over sine, cosine of theta over sine of theta. Tangent equals sine of theta over the cosine of theta. And again, I need a common denominator. So I multiply by cosine over cosine. Multiply this one by sine over sine. Right, now they all have the same denominator, which is sine theta cosine theta. And in the numerator, you have sine squared plus cosine squared, which is 1. Because we multiply by cosine over cosine. There was already a cosine there. If I have to, right? Here. Cosine over cosine. Sine over sine. Get it?